Hello everyone, this is me Ali Raza. I'm a owner of a Google partner company and we help clients with Google Ads, Meta Ads and Google My Business management plans. If you need our services, you can add me and my team through the link in the description. The company name is ARSWEBS.com. And without wasting any time more, get back to the question I have today. And the question is regarding broad phrase and exact match. Okay. Hi Ali, hello. I'm a digital marketing special intern. Okay, and I'm trying to learn as much as I can about Google Ads. That's very good. I have done a lot of research, taken some courses, and watched plenty of your YouTube videos. Okay, amazing. I have right now more than 1400 videos so far. So, yeah, that's good to know. But I'm still unclear about what to use in different situations. Okay. Our company generally handles local business, and a lot of them have very small daily budgets, not in the US. Okay, your company handles local business. Okay. Initially, I tried going with a phrase match. One client benefited from it, although they had a moderate budget. Another client did not. And what's worse is that a lot of the search terms are being hidden under other search terms in the search terms report. From my limited experience, broad match seems to include competitor brands in the search terms more often, while phrase match doesn't seem to do as much. I have generally been using the phrase match for keywords such as pre-trimming service, but I rarely use broad match or exact match. Okay. I have noticed through that I can sometimes get more clicks with broad match, okay, because of the lower CPC, but I'm not sure if it's actually worth it. Okay, that requires a detailed explanation as well. Google Ads seems to change everywhere. Here, yeah, they are advancing and they are improving, and it's honestly confusing trying to figure out which advice is still relevant. Does anyone have some general rules or guidelines for when to use broad phrase and exact match? For example, new account, old account, with or without conversion data, low versus moderate budget, smart bidding versus manual CPC. I really appreciate hearing how experienced Google Ads marketers approach this today. Okay, so that is a very long question, but I'm glad that you have asked the right questions over here. Okay, you said over here that initially tried going with phrase match. One client benefited from it, although they had a moderate budget, and other client did not. And what was is that a lot of systems are being hidden, other systems in the systems report. Okay, so first of all, please note that phrase match or broad match or exact match is your part of keyword strategy, but not the whole strategy. What about the landing page? Maybe the client who had a phrase match had an amazing landing page, amazing offer, and amazing, compared with the competitors, right targeting. So also conversion tracking going on very well. So, and the client, they which did not got benefit from phrase match, maybe had a poor landing page. Now, what you can do when you have do not have a good landing page? You can do when you have do not have a good account structure, location targetings, fraud click, control going on or not, clarity for recording your sessions going or not. You are comparing your competitors with them or not. If you ask me or my opinion, specifically you said that you have small daily budgets. My opinion regarding broad phrase and exact match, I recommend broad match only with AI max being turned on. Otherwise, my opinion, go with phrase or exact match. That is what I like. Exact match may be very limited, and as far as you said that the other systems are being hidden over there. Okay, with phrase match you may see less frequency, that with broad match you may see a lot of frequency over here. So if you cannot see the other systems, you can just ignore, but if you see some converting keywords, you can simply grab over here. And when you said that broad match seems to include competitor brands with the search terms more often, so you can see that how wide and vague this has become to handle. So in my opinion, targeting on a competitor brand is not a good idea. This will not generate good results. I have discussed in various other videos as well, and we have tried and tested on many of the accounts. No, the competitor brands do not work well. So in my opinion is that. And while your face match doesn't deems to do as much, no, you are wrong. Face match do much in terms of generating more sales, but yeah, not regarding to the competitor analysis. I have generally been using for phrase match keyword for a pre-trimming service, but I rarely use broad or exact match. Okay, that's good. I have noticed that I can sometimes get more clicks with broad match. What do you need for more clicks? You are paying visitor for land on your website. So what if your landing page experience is not good? What if you're not tracking conversions? What if your account structure is not good? What if your offer is not good from your competitors? So then what are you going to do with more clicks? Also, it needs to matter the intent of the user with which they are clicking your ad. If you are not fulfilling that expectations, you may eventually end up losing that visitor. So which is why it's very important to understand the intent of the user, and that is another reason why I focus on phrase match and exact match with a lot of negative keywords. So yeah, Google's ad seems to change everywhere. I startedly recommend that broad match with AI Max. 2 years ago, I did not recommend broad match at all. Now, yeah, broad match with AI Max is acceptable. So you can see it changes. Advancements are going on Google Ads, and that is how things get changed on. So yeah, I hope you got my answers on this. And for newcomer versus older account, yeah, you can try running for broad match with AIMX for sometimes with the new account specifically to get the data. If you have some convergence data on account, the scenario is different. Without a conversion data, if you are not doing conversion data, you are going to waste all of your money. So nothing without conversion data. Low versus moderate budgets, yeah, specifically with low budgets, I do not recommend broad match, because you have less budget to try it on. So yeah, it's my opinion. Smart bidding versus manual CPC. I previously don't recommend smart bidding, but now yeah, smart bidding is also acceptable. So you can see the changes have been done with the advancements in the Google. So I hope this answers your question and query regarding what's the best keyword regarding Google Google Ads between broad, phrase, or exact match. I hope this answers your question. And if you need a professional Google Ads audit, setup, or management, you can add me and my team through the link in the description. Our company name is arswebs.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.